Hi everyone, welcome to another Fashion Friday. Today I will be styling my new and old Sezane pieces in lots of outfits, from casual day wear, some evening outfits as well. I think these kind of videos are useful because you can definitely take some good outfit inspiration. Even if you don't have the exact same pieces as me, you can recreate these outfits with pieces you already own that are kind of similar. Like for instance, what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this jumper that is from last year from Sezane, and a pair of silk trousers also from Sezane. These ones are old. I just love them. They are so incredibly versatile. These trousers are not available at the moment, but I'm sure you all have a pair of white or cream trousers in your wardrobes. So this is my first outfit. Let me just brighten up the lights. As you see, I did a monochromatic outfit within the same tones of beiges and creams, and I just love this kind of silky, flowy trousers to do a more elevated and chic outfit. Also, just love the contrast between the silky trousers and the wool in the cardigan. You just have to add a wool long coat, a scarf, and you're ready to go outside. I think this is a perfect outfit to wear during your Thanksgiving Day. It's near, so it's already next week, I think on the 27th. This is a really beautiful outfit to stay home, really cozy, really elegant and chic at the same time. I'm just wearing a pair of earrings that have a blend of silver and gold. I just love them. They are old from Zara. My bracelet is from Vezica. This is a Spanish brand. I just love Vezica, as you know. So I have also lots of jewelry from them. So I opted to place it on top of my sweater. This kind of brighten up the outfit. And my ring is the Alice ring, also from Sezane. Just love these rings. They are adjustable, so you can open if you need. I just love to wear them on the middle finger. If you want, you can recreate this outfit with other colors. Just choose a pair of flowy, silky trousers. You can do an all black outfit. It's also very elegant. An all navy, an all burgundies within the same color, even if it's different tones like you are seeing here. These are not the same, exactly same tone, but they do match and they make a very polished outfit. Please hit the like button. It really helps me out and motivates me to make more content for you. Thank you. Second outfit. This is an outfit that I wore this last week to go to work. I'm wearing a pair of denim jeans, so these are new from Mango. I will also leave the link in the description box below. Some of you have asked me to do a Mango review. I also have some pieces from Mango. Definitely, I just love the brand. In there you can also find some good gems, good fabrics. So for instance, these jeans are made in 100% cotton. They are this kind of wide leg denim jeans in a dark wash. I just love these kind of denims. These are new. They are currently available in stores and also online. So the shirt is from Sezane. I think it might have 4 or 5 years now. It's the claw design with these ruffle details at the front. In this checked pattern in dark blue, navy blue, and also red. Really beautiful shirt. And checks are again on trend this season. This kind of pattern is a classic, but is now having a spotlight moment. I opted to wear brown belt, and I'm wearing also my Tudor boots because it was very cold, and this way my legs are covered up until the knee. I also wore on top my burgundy cardigan, also from Sezane. So it's now again available. So if you need a burgundy cardigan, definitely check this one. Let me just open the cuffs to kind of be a little bit more comfortable. I do have long arms. You see, when I do this, the shirt goes here. So I just needed an inch more. That's an issue that I always have. One small tip, pull up a little bit your cardigan to kind of show just an inch of the shirt beneath. I think it's more flattering. I wore it like that with another coat on top. So burgundy, navy blue, my Theodora boots that are in this icy chocolate. It's kind of a reddish brown, so it looks great with browns but also with reds. You can definitely wear a pair of knee-high boots under a pair of wide leg trousers. It is really comfortable and you will be very warm as well. We are seeing more elevated pieces made in denim. That's why this kind of dark wash came back. Let me just talk about jewelry because you also want to know. These earrings are also from Vesica. These are beautiful jewelry. They are also gold plated, so they are kind of water resistant. They last long time in perfect conditions and they are very, very affordable. The ring is also from Vesica. It has this small pearl, really beautiful, different ring. And this is also another ring from Vesica. Let me just place it here or even on the middle finger. It is also beautiful. So just simple, dainty jewelry for everyday wear. Another realistic outfit. This is also a nice outfit, not only to go to work. If you work in a more formal environment, you can definitely style this outfit on the weekend, but also a nice outfit for your Thanksgiving Day that is now approaching, that is already next week. Just love the outfit, very warm, very cozy and casual, but also elegant at the same time. If it's raining, I would wear my trench coat. I just wanted this kind of shorter version of trench coats and I bought this one from Mango. Really beautiful design, really beautiful details, really well made as well, with this kind of detail at the back like the classic trench coat, with this button here that you can also open or close. It is lined, so a really nice value for money, no doubt. This is a loose trench coat. It's perfect even to wear on top of a nice and thick cardigan. For a cold and slightly rainy day, this is a nice outfit. Beautiful trench coat. Perfect. Beautiful. Just love the trench coat. And I just love this light camel paired with the dark wash jeans. I think it's a nice combination. Let me just show you another pair of dark wash denim jeans from Mango. If you don't like wider leg, so kind of really wide leg and wider from above, you have this more straight design. I'm wearing size 40 in both and they are kind of more on the loose side, just like these ones. So they have zip and button, also made in 100% cotton, so no elastane as well. The leg is, like I said, more straight. I will be doing an outfit with these trousers as well, so that you can see and compare both. It might be useful for you to kind of decide if you need and you want a pair of new denim jeans. These are the straight leg design. They are kind of more high-waisted. The other ones were mid-low waist. So I'm wearing a navy blue knit sweater, tight knit sweater. This one is also old from Massimo Dutti. Really comfortable layering pieces. And on top I will be wearing my new Philly vest, knitted vest from Sezane. I wanted to do a more 60 inspired outfit. I will be wearing this burgundy one on top. This will be a very 60-70 inspired outfit. I think this is an outfit Brigitte Bardot and Jane Birkin would have worn. Really 70 inspired. this kind of sleeveless vests, belted at the waistline, dark wash denim jeans. Ex van de 16, petite baby doll. For this outfit, I will choose my Alice ring. I kept the same earrings from previous outfit. A very 60-70, more 70 inspired outfit. I'm wearing a pair of platform boots. On top, I will definitely be choosing my new Raphael coat. Let me just talk about it because when I first bought it and review for you, I bought the size 40 and it was huge. And then I changed it for size 38, as you are seeing, so. And I think this is the perfect size for me. It is still oversized and still I still have lots of space. Flattering. This size is more flattering on me. Just love the high neck. You can wear your hair inside the coat if you want. I love to wear it like that on a cold day. Navy and blue is also a really good color combination. The navy in the top matches the denim jeans and the shoes matches the jacket. I will be wearing my burgundy bag. This is also new from Massimo Dutti. Just the perfect bag here, matching the Philly vest. So a really nice, comfortable, casual and chic outfit to wear on a daily basis. So far, which is your favorite outfit? It's another outfit with Sezane items, of course. So these are a pair of also old trousers in this checked grey pattern. My Chloe shirt in this Guiper, just love the shirt. And on top I will be wearing my Samuel vest in grey to match the trousers. Love these ruffle details like that. It is very elegant, very beautiful, all these details. And for jewelry, I have kept the same earrings. And I'm now wearing again my Vesica ring with the pearl. Perfect match to the white in the shirt. This shirt is size 38, a really nice weave. But again, the sleeves are short on me, as you can see. These kind of vests are perfect for layering. They add warmth without having the bulk in the sleeves. So I think they are very, very practical. On top, I will be also wearing my Raphael coat. It's the perfect coat to wear this winter. With this coat, I don't need to wear a scarf because it has already this high neck that covers this part of our body that is more sensitive. For footwear, I'm wearing my new Agnes boots. I showed you on my previous video, I wore the brown ones, and I also kept the black ones, which are perfect for everyday wear, to walk all day, to go to work. They are this kind of Chelsea boot with the elasticated part, but they also have an inner zip, which make them really easy to put on and off. They have this almond shaped toe, which is also very elegant and comfortable at the same time, because sometimes pointy toes are beautiful but not practical for everyday wear. A nice winter outfit. So, I think this is my last outfit of today's video. Wearing this skirt, my Billy bodysuit in merino wool, very warm, form-fitting and very, very elegant, so beautiful. The perfect finishing touch of to this bodysuit will be the Joseph necklace, my new necklace from Sezane that I just love, 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 love. And it's also very simple to put on and off because the closure is at the front. You can place it upwards or more downwards, maybe here or maybe a little bit down. Just play with according to what you really love. Since I'm wearing the Joseph necklace, I will not be wearing any earrings, nor will I place a belt in my waist. I think it's too much. But definitely wearing my rings. This one again, maybe this one. I don't know, maybe this again in this finger. My Tudor boots are the perfect match to this skirt. As you see, this is called brown, but it's a reddish brown, which is great because it pairs really well with burgundies. So a nice versatile pair of boots. So I think this is a really beautiful outfit. For those of you who prefer skirts instead of trousers, this kind of pleated skirts, this one has this detail here, but any other skirt you have, A-line skirt, a silk skirt, but definitely when choosing a skirt to pair with this bodysuit, in my opinion, choose one that will kind of compensate the tightness of the bodysuit. More voluminous skirts are perfect to compensate the tightness in the upper part of your body. And this will give you a really beautiful silhouette. In this case, I might be also again choosing my Vesica bracelet and place it also on top of the bodysuit. I think it's not too much. These are the perfect finishing touches. Without the accessories, our outfits will be very plain. And that is all for today. I hope you did enjoy today's video. I hope you did find some good inspiration in the outfits that I put together. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always being here supporting. And I'll see you next Friday for another Fashion Friday. Bye bye.
Take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the peace